Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to enable showing downloads when they're done or complete in Chrome desktop. So the settings show downloads when they're complete, and Google Chrome on desktop controls whether a download tray or bubble automatically appears after a file finishes downloading. This feature has evolved over time. Initially, downloads would show up in a bar at the bottom of the browser window. More recently, Google changed this behavior, and downloads now appear in a download bubble or tray in the top right corner of the browser near the address bar. The options to control this has also changed. For a time, users could disable this via an experimental plug, but this is no longer standard options in recent Chrome versions. And then I'll show you on how to do these quick modifications. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up your Chrome browser. And then once you open up, and then you need to click the three vertical dots on the top right corner to open the menu. And then you need to scroll down and select the settings gear button here and then click. And then on left hand menu, then you need to scroll down again and select this downloads button here and then click. And then on right side, you can see now this downloads here at the main pane. So we have also the locations downloads as where to save each file before downloading, and next, this is the show downloads when they're complete. And then if you want to enable this feature, then you need to toggle this button one time to right and it's a turn on. Then otherwise, toggle this oval one time, it's be grayed out and it's turned on. So it depends on your preferences if you want to enable or disable this button here. And then after it's modified, then you'll need to relaunch the browser. Then you need to close and relaunch again. Alright, so that's it guys, and thanks for watching. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorials.